Peshawar, Pakistan, a city steeped in history, a crossroads of cultures. I'm here to explore its hidden gems, to taste its soul. Join me. The air buzzes with energy. The streets are a kaleidoscope of sights and sounds. This is a city that has seen it all, from ancient empires to modern times. Peshawar's history stretches back millennia. It's a place where empires clashed and cultures blended. You can feel the weight of history here. I'm ready to dive in, to experience the heart and soul of this incredible city. Let's go. First stop, Bala Hissar Fort. This imposing fortress has stood watch over Peshawar for centuries. The view from the top is breathtaking. You can almost hear the clash of swords, the whispers of ancient kings. It's a stark reminder of Peshawar's turbulent past. Next, the Mahabat Khan Mosque, a masterpiece of Mughal architecture. The intricate tile work, the soaring minarets, it's simply stunning. These landmarks tell the story of Peshawar, a story of conquest, of resilience, of beauty that endures. Time to get lost in the labyrinthine alleys of Qissa Kwani Bazaar. This is Peshawar's beating heart. A sensory overload in the best possible way. Spices perfume the air. Silks shimmer under the sun. The energy is infectious. I love getting lost in places like this. I barter for a hand-woven carpet, the colors vibrant and alive. The shopkeeper smiles, his eyes twinkling. This is the real Peshawar. Every corner holds a new surprise, a new story. This bazaar is a microcosm of the city itself. Vibrant, chaotic, unforgettable. Section 4. The heartbeat of Peshawar. The people here are what truly make Peshawar special. Warm, welcoming, and eager to share their stories. I sit down with a group of men in a small tea shop. The chai is strong, the conversation even stronger. We talk about life, about family, about the city they call home. Their pride in Peshawar is palpable. They tell me about its hidden gems, its traditions, its spirit. I'm humbled by their hospitality. These are the moments I live for. Connecting with people, sharing a laugh, a story, a cup of tea. This is the true essence of travel. Section 5. A culinary journey. No trip to Peshawar is complete without experiencing its legendary cuisine. The aromas alone are enough to make your mouth water. First up, chapli kebab. Minced meat seasoned to perfection and cooked on a giant griddle. Juicy, flavorful, and utterly addictive. Then, a steaming bowl of karahi. Tender meat cooked in a spicy tomato-based gravy. The perfect blend of heat and aroma. I mop it up with fresh naan bread. For dessert, gulab jamun. Soft, spongy dumplings soaked in rose-scented syrup. A sweet ending to a perfect meal. The food here is a reflection of the city itself. Bold, flavorful, and unforgettable. A true feast for the senses. Section 6. Until next time, Peshawar. Peshawar, you have stolen a piece of my heart. Your history, your culture, your people, all of it has left an indelible mark on my soul. This is a city that surprises you, that challenges you, that embraces you with open arms. It's a place where the past and present collide in a vibrant tapestry of life. If you're looking for an adventure, for a journey into the heart of a fascinating culture, come to Peshawar. You won't be disappointed. Until next time, Peshawar. Stay strong, stay vibrant, stay you. I'll be back for more.